Easy to prepare, easy on the taste. Drip filter coffee comes in 4 delicious flavors. How to make Protea's drip filter coffee in just 3 easy steps. Boil the kettle. Remove the coffee filter from its display packet. Tear off the paper top. Fold out the cardboard ears and place firmly and evenly on a coffee mug. First add a small amount of hot water into the filtering bag and allow it to settle. Add more hot water to taste. When the mug is full, carefully remove the filtering bag and recycle. You can now add sugar and milk to taste. Proudly presented by Protea Cafe.